Dozens of February night, the 1972nd year of Earth was waiting for its next space courier to return from the moon. This is where he's supposed to land. Behind you is the vast path of the Earth, the moon of the Earth. The machine carries a priceless load. Moon soil. The returning vehicle separated from the space missile of the Luna 20 station. He's in the arms of the Earth's atmosphere. Terrible overloads. The temperature is over 10 degrees. From fire to ice-cold steppe. It's different. In September, the 1970th year was the landing of another returning Luna 16 station in the same area of Kazakhstan. It was a beautiful autumn weather then. The lunatic was found in the sky, and he was evacuated as soon as he touched the ground. And now? How's it gonna be now? Purgatory. At night. A well-organized search engine found it in these difficult circumstances as well. The station's return machine is 20. Do you hear me? It's the voice of the chimney of the steam-shaped apparatus of the lunar soil. First of all, Luntic was taken to his home factory, from which he had just left for startup and then to fly. There's an exciting moment of autopsy and removal of the capsule from Lunit. Here's the capsule. The pod plant was taken to the Science Institute. In a special cell, lunar soil is removed from the capsule. It is important to preserve Lunit's originality. Strict precautions have been taken, and in this cell the ground feels like a moon. For the second time, Soviet scientists are receiving soil from the distant moon. This one was delivered in the 1970th year. Then he was taken from the plains of the Sea of Isplis. The moon of 20 has now brought the ground, which was first produced in the hard-to-reach mountainous mainland. By comparing lunar species from different regions, scientists can open a veil over the secret origin of the moon. For science, the study of moon continents is very important. Who occupy most of the surface of the moon? The moon. It's a mirror of its own. By studying the moon, you can also learn the Earth by opening up the sky and its treasures. Soviet scientists were the first to begin a systematic and focused study of the moon using machine guns. They made it possible to create a complete map of the moon and the moon globe, and to get information about the moon's surface and the surrounding area. The creation of a unified automatic flight on the landing platform was a qualitative step in the study of the moon. Such a platform is designed to bring various scientific devices to the moon. The long, complex tests of the unified platform on Earth have provided a high level of reliability. You are not. In the 1970th year, such a platform was used in the establishment of the Luna 16 station. The station's returning machine brought the lunar soil to the ground. A unified platform brought an alien lunar to the moon. One such method is the exploration of the moon by automatic stations using a unified platform many times and cost-effective manned flight. It also proved another experiment. The Lun 20 station, which landed in a hard-to-reach mountain area, also had a unified landing platform. After a soft landing in the mountains, the automaton independently inspected the lunar area with television eyes, and he chose a place to drill. Kerr is a reliable human tool in studying the planet Earth. The storm justified itself, and the drilling began on the moon. It seems so simple. But the creators of the moonstorm had to deal with many complex and difficult tasks. First of all, to overcome the dangerous agesia of slamming in a vacuum, capable of jamming a drilling instrument to activating it. A special lubricant has been created to ensure that the drill works on another celestial body. It worked incredibly well. Cool fences, moon soil in the capsule. The capsule shall be carefully sealed. Saved in its original form, Laneth goes from a unified platform to the ground. And here he is in the hands of scientists. Intensely operating spacecraft deliver to scientists samples of Lanet from various parts of the Earth's eternal companion. With modern techniques of research and technical engineering, scientists can gain a clear picture of the chemical composition by examining samples of lunar soil weighing up to a negligible percentage of a gram, and the physical properties of the moon's surface in the area under study. The soil samples examine the moon as a mirror that reflects the events that have taken place on our planet in the distant geological past. By restoring these distant geological events, scientists can judge what lies beneath the Earth's surface. What natural wealth mankind can exploit in the future. Moon Epic. Ongoing. The moon will serve people. Space vending machines are reliable human assistants in the exploration of the moon and the planets of the solar system.